The coronavirus, the vaccines are rolling out in the US hospitals as they reach peak capacity. In the United States alone, deaths have exceeded 317,000. US industries are pushing for their workers to receive early access to COVID-19 vaccines, but local health departments and pharmacies are now facing a huge challenge. That is to verify the identity of an essential worker to ensure no one cuts the line. The United States has two authorized COVID-19 vaccines, one from Pfizer Incorporated and BioNTech and another from Moderna. The vaccination campaign underway is currently focused on hospital staff and nursing homes. This is a tightly controlled environment where verification is relatively simple. But beginning in January or February, Americans employed in a range of industries will be eligible for inoculation if they are essential frontline workers. But the plan to verify vaccine candidates' jobs is currently absent, and there is confusion over who qualifies as essential worker. This raises the risk of fraud and disorganization. And so the question that arises now is who decides which worker is essential? In the US, the criteria to qualify as a frontline worker varies from state to state. According to the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's estimate, roughly 30 million essential workers will be next in line for a shot. An additional 57 million essential workers will be vaccinated later. The lack of clear guidelines will significantly complicate the verification process as those workers seek shots. The US Department of Homeland Security's list covers nearly 70% of the US labor force. It has provided little clarity to health officials trying to distribute initially limited doses of vaccines. A panel of experts that advises the CDC has recommended that people 75 and older and workers including first responders, teachers, food and agriculture, manufacturing, US Postal Service, public transit and even grocery store workers should have the next priority for vaccines. Pharmacy operators CVS, Walgreens and Kroger Company each referred to state and local guidelines when asked how they would verify essential workers. The Consumer Brands Association and the Food Industry Association, representing food retailers, are now developing template letters for employees to verify their essential worker status. This is expected to bring some clarity to vaccine distribution plans, but not before the first quarter of 2021. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.